Oh, today we're going to be speaking on Windows Server 2019 and Ubuntu Server 2020 LTS. My name is Oyande Okwe. The agenda for today, we're going to be discussing what is the server, Windows Server 2019, features of Microsoft Server 2019, Windows Firewall, Windows Protocols, Ubuntu Server 20 LTS, features of Ubuntu Server 20 LTS, Iptables, Ubuntu Server, Ubuntu Iptable protocols. Introduction. What is a server? According to the Cambridge Dictionary, it is a central computer from which other computer gets information. It is an advanced, it is also an advanced type of computer that was designed specifically to provide services, resources in the form of data to another computer or client through a network. Microsoft Server 2019. It is one of the most important infrastructure assets in most organizations today. Most entity that uses it ranges from small businesses to large and multinational corporations. The Server 2019 model was released in October 2018 with robust features and improvement to handle high demand of data centers. Features of Microsoft Server 2019 are Active Directories, improved security layers, storage space direct, S2D, and Linux application. Active Directory. This feature is well known and associated with Microsoft Server operating system. Most client computer comes with built-in logical grouping known as workgroup, which helps to identify and connect to another computer on the same network. This type of connection is known as peer-to-peer connections. To coordinate resource access, users, and security, it is paramount to be part of a domain controller. Domain controller is the central database system that maintains the user credentials and quickly authenticates users with resources on the network. Users need to authenticate once with a domain controller with a process known as a single sign-on. The software that provide the capability are usually called Active Directories. Improve security layers. It provides robust features in terms of security architecture and capability. It comes with Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection (ATP). It's an added security protection for threats, secure booting, and protect VM with advanced encryptions. Storage Space Direct (S2D). Windows Server 2019 support both the legacy type of storage, which is the NTFS, and a new file storage known as the Resilience File System (REFS). This type of S2D organize organ this type of S2D organization can provision and scale solutions using commodity hardware. Windows Server 2019 improves in resilience and performance, making it a favorable choice option for infrastructure development or deployment. Windows Server Firewall. The Windows Firewall is an integral security feature in Microsoft Windows operating system made to shield computer from dangerous network traffic and unauthorized access. It serves as a firewall between computer and internet or local network, managing network traffic coming into and going out of the computer in accordance with a set of predefined rules and user-defined configuration. Noted function of window firewalls are inbound and outbound rules, packet filtering, group policies, custom rules, application controls. Windows 20, Windows Server 2019 protocols are a DNS, a DHCP server, SNMP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, LDAP, which is Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, and SMMB server, which stands for Server Message Block. Ubuntu Server 20 LTS is a well-known Linux distribution released in April 2020. It is praised for its commitment to long-term support. Its design is based on Debian and offer the most recent open source advancement and cloud integration choices, enabling fast deployment on AWS and Azure, and it is considered one of the most dependable server operations because of its strict security control, regular maintenance, and repository. Features of Ubuntu Server 20 LTS. It is known for its long-term support (LTS). It offers a stable and maintained platform with 5 years of update and security fixes, ensuring reliability for demanding server workload. Open source software. Ubuntu Server includes a sizable selection of open source software that made installing and running server tools and applications straightforward. Container support. Effective application orchestrated and deployment are made possible by inclusive of support for containerization technology like Docker and Kubernetes. IP tables. The networking stack of the Linux kernel, packet filtering, and network address translation. Now, functions configuring are configured using the command line tools IP table on Linux system. It is a potential tool for managing firewall rules and enabling network traffic. Functions of IP table primarily used as a firewall tool to filter and control network traffic, to change the source and destination IP addresses of packets that has transmit through the firewall. It's, it can execute network address translation. IP table and maintains a connection tracking table, allowing it to keep track of the state of established network connections. Ubuntu Server 20 LTS protocols. We have UDP, TCP, ICMP, GRE, and ESP and authentication header. In reference to all my findings is right here. And I really thank you for taking the time to listen and have a blessed day. Thank you.